Okay, so a lot of you have noticed that you can no longer print and that there's been issues with that over the last several weeks. It turns out that Google had pulled the plug on a platform I was using called Google Cloud Print. And as a workaround, I've started to set up a different way to print within the school district. It should not change all that much for you guys. We are using like native Linux printing now. So anyways, if you were to log into your Chromebook and find a doc that you want to print or some website or something like that, you go ahead and go to your print icon. And when the dialog comes up, you may not see any printers quite yet, so just go ahead and drop down your destination and go to see more. It's going to cook for a second, but then it should come up with an option that I make available to you guys. So here at the high school, you will have the high school library printer available. Go ahead and click on that. Should come up in your choice. You can modify your print preferences if you want to do just one page or a few other things. And go ahead and click print. You'll let that cook, it'll come up with the dialog, and then it'll tell you when it's done. So there you go. That's all there is to printing within the high school now, and you guys should be all set. Thanks for watching.